Mama channel.
He meant please subscribe to Mama's channel. Oh, don't scold. It's okay. They will subscribe. You will, right? Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to Swami Vlogs once again. It's been a while, right? I vlog. So, today we are in a new city, in a new journey. No, I have not moved again. It's a family vacation after a really long time. So we have reached Udaipur. After 2 long years we have taken a vacation. So all gratitude for that. And we are here for the next 4 days. Stick around. I will take you guys through this quick mini family vacation. And hope you like this vlog. So let's...
Hi.
हम कहाँ आए?
गाड़ी में आई.
गाड़ी में कहाँ आ गए?
अंकल की गाड़ी में.
अंकल की गाड़ी में. Oh, hi Praveen. What's up?
Hi.
Welcome to Udaipur.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for tagging us along with your office trip.
You're always welcome.
Look at this beauty. We just entered the hotel. It's just beautiful. It's like sunny. It's already after. It's almost like 2 o'clock. So we just gonna check in now और फिर हम करेंगे एक क्विक लंच एंड देन उसके बाद का प्लान मुझे नहीं पता है. ठंड इतना है नहीं जितना मैंने इमेजिन किया था. एटलीस्ट अब तक तो नहीं है. दिस गाइस, I just love this place. I mean, this is the lunch area and it gives me a very royal feeling because we are in Udaipur, I guess. But yeah, I'm so excited about this whole trip and this was very last moment and spontaneous. Basically Praveen का एक office का meeting है in Udaipur and he just said that why don't we also tag along. So we came like 2 days early before his actual meeting started. Let me know, what do you guys do in a family vacation? जब आप लोग family vacation पे जाते हैं, so there are basically 2 categories, right? Family vacation पे इधर आप बहुत ही साइट सीइंग टूरिस्टी टाइप होते हैं हुआ लाइक सुबह उठना है एंड 10 चीज़ें लिस्ट में है एंड वी हैव टू कवर दोज 10 places if you are in a vacation, or you are like the second category who basically just love to chill, relax. अगर लिस्ट में से कुछ चीज़ें मिस भी हो गया तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We are here to relax and chill and we will continue to do so. Not much bothered about हम कितना टूरिस्टी places cover कर पाए या नहीं कर पाए. So do let me know in the comment section below. Which category do you guys belong to? Wait, what are you climbing? Wait, we are at the boat. Are you excited? Wait, are you excited? Look at the moon. Nana, what are you eating? Are you busy eating? Okay, looks like he's really busy eating. And I am enjoying my coffee. Good morning everybody. It's a very bright morning in Udaipur. थोड़ा सा ठंडा है but it's actually very soothing. You don't really need a sweater at this point in time. तो basically कल शाम को Praveen surprised us with an amazing dinner date. it was for Ved and I both, and more than me, I think Ved enjoyed it so much. There was so much playing area in that place, and it was just beautiful and magical. आज सुबह को हम उठे हैं and today is the full touristy day. So we have booked a guide and now we are going places in Udaipur. I think we'll start with City Palace and basically we will take it as per Ved's mood. So tip number 1 is if you're traveling with a kid, don't push too much on touristy stuff, I would say. Of course, if your kid is not like mine and more cooperative, then you should. But Ved के लिए ये पहला ट्रिप है एंड ही इज़ अ लिटिल क्रैंकी क्योंकि उसके सोने का टाइम का ठिकाना नहीं है, खाने पीने का इतना ठिकाना नहीं है. सो एंड ही जस्ट कीप्स मिसिंग इज होम एंड टॉयज. सो बट या, सो गो एज योर किड सेज इफ़ यू आर डूइंग अ फैमिली वेकेशन विथ योर किड.
दाल मिलाऊं, गट्टे की सब्जी, गट्टे टमाटर के बनाना, ये आप लेकिन इनका कॉफी का प्लान.
Ved, what are you eating? Huh?
केरा.
Lemon tea that I have had. So we are almost at the end of day 1 and quite honestly मैंने touristy places cover नहीं किया है in my videos because I know that most of you guys have already visited Udaipur. But right now हम हैं एक restaurant में beside Lake Fateh Sagar and I really wanted to talk about our guide who has been like the star of this day. His name is Mr. Firoz and he's also known as the chill person in Udaipur. He's one of the best guides in Udaipur and this is not a promotional video for him, but looks like he's a big guy and I would really like to thank him. I will link about his agency in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And my little star is here who is trying to drink coffee. No, I don't feed him coffee. He's just trying to make coffee. Okay. Good morning.
Good morning.
So you can see from my outfit that it's very cold in Udaipur, but it's not. Quite honestly, मैंने फोर्स ही किया था कि बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा होगा दिन में भी, but इतना ठंडा नहीं है. सुबह को थोड़ा ठंडा होता है, but otherwise it's not really cold. But because I have very lack of choice of clothes at the moment, so I'm wearing like a high neck sweater. And I'm not sure whether you can see my outfit or not. And these pants from Zara, which I bought like ages ago. प्लान ये है आज का कि हम जाएंगे एक डांस शो देखने अभी वेद के साथ एंड उसके बाद हम जाएंगे लंच में एंड फिर हम वापस आ जाएंगे होटल बिकॉज़ आज दोपहर से प्रवीण का कॉन्फ्रेंस शुरू हो रहा है. सो वी नीड टू बी बैक एट द होटल. But I will see if I can go somewhere in the evening. By the way, if you are enjoying this vlog, you know what to do. And if you want to see more such vlogs from my channel, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. That will give me a load of happiness. But I would suggest कि अगर if you're coming as a couple, then you should definitely come here in the night for dinner and not for lunch because if you're coming with the little ones, thank you. You should come for lunch, or if you're a coffee lover like I am, and you're a solo traveler, then you should definitely come here for like evening high tea sorts. You will totally enjoy this place. So nice and breezy. You get shant hai, where my son is the only one making noise, but everyone else is very quiet. Vedu, abhi hum kahan ja rahe hain?
Speedboat में.
Are you excited? Are you excited, Vedu?
देखो 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 वहाँ पे
Are you excited? वेदु को मजा आ रहा? Are you scared?
No.
Okay. Good morning. So today is actually day 4 or day 3. I've actually lost count now. So today is the last full day of us to be in Udaipur. Praveen has already started with his office conference, so he's not joining us. And today is my day off, so I am also leaving Ved in the hotel today with Manju. And Praveen is in the hotel, so he said he will take care. We discovered a new place, and it turned out to be amazingly scenic. So there is this place called Jaisamand. It's around 50-55 kilometers away from Udaipur. The road was very very scenic. पहाड़ों वाला road था, दोनों तरफ बहुत सारे पेड़ थे. And then you land up into this beautiful lake. इसके सामने बहुत सारे, there's the staircase you can walk, and then एक island resort है, Jaisamand Island Resort. So we took like a ferry, a motorboat, and then हम इस island resort पे आए हैं. Honestly, the resort is I will not recommend. The coffee was terrible, but the boat ride was good. But if you don't want to come to the resort, that's fine too. You can just come to this ghat, which is called the Jaisamand Ghat, and it's beautiful. The lake is huge, and it's just beautiful.
जीवन भर तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं, तेरे लिए मैं गाऊं.
वेद को कहाँ जाना?
मीनाक्षी घर.
क्यों? मीनाक्षी घर में कौन है?
मनमाए.
आप मनमा को मिस कर रहे हो? Then say I miss you, Manama.
I miss you,
We are leaving or checking out of the hotel in next 15 to 20 minutes. सब कुछ पैक कर लिया है. कमरे का हालत आप देख सकते हैं, बिल्कुल ही अच्छे स्थिति में नहीं है. And I think it was a great trip. But now we are ready to go back home. Including Ved. What are your feelings after every holiday? Do you not want it to end, or do you want it to end and again start your daily routine? For me, I think after every holiday, मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि बस अब मैं घर जाऊँ and I should get back to my routine and start my routine life, because that gives me more motivation कि चलो अब अगला vacation होने वाला है. That's just me. You let me know in the comment section below कि what are you like. Thank you so much for watching this vlog with us. Hope you enjoyed. This was a very very simple family vacation vlog जहाँ पे हम वेद को सबसे पहली बार vacation में ले आए थे. It was a great experience for both Ved and us, because हमें नहीं पता था वेद कैसे react करेगा on different situations, कैसे behave करेगा. But I think all in all, it was a great trip. Udaipur is beautiful. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't yet, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I get motivated to share such simple and happy content with you. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.